In this video, we'll show you how to adjust the brightness, contrast or even the volume of your external monitors directly from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So as you may already know, Windows 11 doesn't give you an option to control the external monitor settings natively. That means anytime you want to change the brightness or contrast or even the volume, you need to use the physical button on your external monitor. However, you can fix that. So for that, first open the Microsoft Store and download this free app from Microsoft called Microsoft Power Toys. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it using the search menu. Now here you need to go to this input and output section on the left and expand it. Now go to power display. Now here enable the power display toggle. Once you have done this, you should be able to control the external monitor settings directly from the taskbar. So click on this system tray icon and you will see this power display icon. Simply click on it and you should be able to control the monitor brightness, contrast and even the volume. Additionally, you can also use this shortcut to open the power display indicator. So Windows plus Control plus Shift plus P. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.